Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Honor 200 Smart. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Following that, choose whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Deep pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and then to connect, tap on the Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!